Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're going to be doing the spark plugs. I don't know, from the last video y'all saw, and I got a lot of comments saying that it could be the plugs and wires. It could be a mass airflow sensor. They even said map sensor. I got several people telling me plugs and wires. I do have the plugs. I don't have the wires, but so I guess today we're gonna be replacing these. I don't know if you saw in the last video how it was giving me that stumble, like bogging down. So we're gonna be doing the plugs first, and then we'll see if that does any difference. I have never replaced them, so it's a good idea to do it anyways. Since I got the truck, since I took it out of the donor truck, I basically just moved it off from that one and put it in this one. So we're going to be doing the plugs. After that, we'll try it, turn it on, see if it still does it. If it still does it, then we'll start checking for vacuum leaks, since I don't have the wires. And if I can't find any vacuum leaks, then I'll start testing the injectors, because I was getting a misfire on cylinder 3 and cylinder 4. So a lot of people also were saying that it could be a dirty fuel injector. I already checked fuel pressure. I have the right fuel pressure. The fuel pressure regulator works as well, because I unplugged it and the pressure went up. So I know that's regulating right. It's so we got good fuel pressure. So we'll do this. We'll test the resistance on the injectors, and then we'll hopefully it's plugs and we don't have to do all that, but in case, we'll just keep working our way down. You know, I don't want to do too much at once and not know exactly what the problem was. We'll do one thing at a time. So I'll replace the plugs, and then we'll see what it does. Alright guys, we already took out the 4 from the driver's side. We took out the 4 spark plugs already. They just look like normal wear and tear to me. Let me show you how they look. And this is the exact order how I took them off. Let's see if it focuses on the brand, but it's actually it's having a hard time focusing. So right now, in a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this side. Alright guys, we took out the other 4 spark plugs. The only one I did notice, number like Well, both when I was getting the misfires, I was getting it on cylinder 3 and cylinder 4. And here's the order. There you can see how they were. And those two were the worst. This one's probably the worst one out of all of them. I don't know if you can see. It's almost completely covered the tip. Unlike these that you can still see it. If the camera would focus, but you can see the tip there. On these, it's got all that gunk on there. So maybe it was the spark plugs. We'll see right now. Let me go ahead and reinstall the new ones that I got. Which are these. Gonna go ahead and put these on, and then right now we'll turn it on. Alright guys, so I already replaced all of the spark plugs and I already put everything back. Wires are back, so we're gonna try it again, see what it does now. Hopefully that was a problem, so let's see what happens. Alright guys, as you can see, well, the truck's not here. The bogging went away. Now we got a new problem. You can see I was reversing it out of here, out of the garage. One of the transmission lines that goes to the radiator busted. So now I got fluid all over the driveway. It's the lower one. So I'm just gonna put a rubber hose and put some clamps, and then just so I can move it back into the garage. But I guess it was a fix for the spark plugs. I do want to replace the wires because it has two different sets on there. But hopefully that'll be later on. And I'm going to try to fix this, and then it's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.